video, let's discuss about construction project formulation. Formulation is nothing but creating something new by involving different skills and resources of different domains. So, what do you mean by a project? Project is anything which is a temporary endeavor which got a particular start and which got a particular end, and in the meantime we create something innovative, we formulate something. So this is the basic definition of a project. And project is of temporary nature, since as I said it got a start and end. It is a temporary endeavor. So in the mean process, we create something new. In construction project, we create some infrastructure. Maybe we create a roadway, railway, railways, or maybe something related to water supply or any building and other infrastructure which is useful for the public. And any project can be terminated at any point of time, or and that part and that particular point of time in which we realize that our goal is not reach, or we can't reach a particular goal we set already, because maybe due to shortage of money or material, or if we realize the project is not viable. So as long as we use the men and material effectively, we can reach our goal. I mean, we can complete the project successfully. So, construction management is nothing but using or applying the knowledge of construct, applying the knowledge of management in the field of construction to create some infrastructure. So, what are all the management skills we need, or what are all the management related activities we go through or we practice in the construction management are? The first one is identification of requirements. So what are all the requirements of that particular area or locality? For example, if we are creating a road, or if we are paving a road, then first we must realize whether we are connecting any particular villages, or whether we are connecting the district headquarters, or we are connecting the state headquarters, like that. Based on the importance and the number of users, the quality of the road will be decided. For example, if it is connecting any small villages with a less number of population, we can go for MDR or ODR, other district roads, which is of less quality when compared to the national highways and expressways. So first we need to identify the requirements. The second thing, or second management activity we carry out here is updating the needs, concerns, and expectation of stakeholders. What do you mean by stakeholders? Are the people who are concerned with a particular project. For example, if there are several investors for a construction project, we need to take consent of all these stakeholders. I mean, investors, before getting any work, before any work gets started, so that there will be no conspiracies further. And one more point is setting and maintaining the communication between the stakeholders. Uh, there is a saying that the bad communication kills so many good things. So, if we don't have effective communication between the stakeholders, it may lead into the conflicts in future days. Maybe regarding the shares, or maybe regarding the profits and sales and all aspects. Everyone or every stakeholder should be informed about everything, and there should be a active communication channel, and effective communication should be there. And one more thing is we need to balance the activities and inputs, time, schedule, everything, and the resources and risk associated to it. For example, let's consider this COVID situation as a it's the biggest risk for all the people around the world. But let's consider a smaller example or smaller area. Let's concentrate over the construction. The government has said in situ construction is allowed. In situ means at the spot. So in the spot, if the labors are available in a particular area or construction site, you can carry out the construction activity. For example, we want to perform the plastering, but the MEP work has not done it. But the MEP worker is located somewhere around 10 kilometers or 5 kilometers from the construction site. If the MEP work guy or electrical guy is about to reach the site by 10 a.m., sorry, by 9 a.m. or 8 a.m., if somebody stops him by saying that only in situ construction is allowed, and if you are ready with the mortar and all other masonry people to carry out the plastering, then your work may get stopped due to the non availability of the electrical worker, electrician, or you may say that electrician. So there will be certain set of risks. This is a small example. Like this, there will be several risks associated with any construction project. We need to keep everything in mind, and then we need to proceed. And in any construction project, there are only two basic things. One is the material resource, and another one is manpower. If we fail to use any one of these resource effectively, then our project will be not effectively completed or efficiently completed. I mean to say, the work may be delayed if the manpower is not used effectively. If the materials in the site or if the materials is not used properly, then it will in turn increase the amount of construction or the economy or the amount incurred in procuring material. For example, if we buy or if we procure 100 bags of cement and only 50 bags of cement are needed and another 50 bags is not stored effectively, if it is exposed to moisture, then the hydration of cement will be initiated and the whole 50 bags will be wasted. If we You can calculate the approximate loss by assuming a single bag of cement around 400 rupees. So 400 into 50 bags will be your loss. So we need to maintain the manpower and material effectively. Manpower is utilized by improving their skill, by providing the what to say particular required skill training to particular members of the crew. For example, if a crane operator is sent to some training to operate the crane in a more effective way and efficient way, then your output will be increased. Otherwise, you will deliver the same or less output for the same diesel and same amount you pay for it. So, if the skill of the particular man or the men you employ there increases, then you will perform well. So, in next class, let's discuss about the objectives of construction project and what are all the requirements of it. Thank you.